Welcome to the USC School of Advanced Computing.
USC is now the #2 feeder school to Silicon Valley.
So what are you majoring in?
AI in business. I think it's the first in the world.
Oh, that's really cool.
Here at USC, we are top 5 in federal research dollars.
To supercharge innovations in AI, machine learning, human-centered computing, and beyond.
We want to use AI to understand how the brain represents mood and emotions and build brain-computer interfaces.
We're using the CEG device to record brain signals so that we can decode emotion. Hi, welcome to DISC.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's incredible. It's the only scanner of its kind in the world.
Image contrast is amazing.
Currently in a stage of strategic growth. We plan to hire 60 new faculty by 2030.
As you can see here, these results are very encouraging.
Welcome to the Mixed Reality Lab. This is where the human touches and interacts with the technologies we develop here at the Institute.
What brings you in today? How can I help you?
We primarily focus on mixed reality user interface and user experience design. We use immersive technology to prototype future systems.
Suicide is a preventable public health problem. Each year, over 6,000 vets die by suicide. That's around 20 a day. Most of these vets are not connected to VA services, and that's why we created Battle Buddy.
This is the first generation of a quantum chip, and now this is what it looks like. This is the first quantum computer at a university. This computer solves problems in minutes that would take classical computers years.
That's incredible.
This equipment here is used in the Sphere and its predecessor, Deter Lab. It's a testbed for cybersecurity and privacy experiments. Over the years, it's been used by more than 20,000 students in education to learn about security and privacy technology.
Looks good. Power up.